Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn some shortcut keys for the MS Word. So the first shortcut key is, if you want to draw a single line, what you have to do, you have to press this 3 times and then shift and then enter. Now if you want to see the double line, in that case you will press equal to 3 times and then press enter. Similarly, if you want to see some design line, then you have to shift and then press this hash key 3 times and then enter. And then if you want to see some dotted line, in that case you will be pressing shift with the star, okay, then press enter, then you get a dotted line. And then if you want to see the zigzag line, in that case you will be pressing the spline which is uh, before the 1 on the keyboard, so it would shift and then 1 3 times spline and then enter. So this is all about the shortcuts in the MS Word. Keep updated for more and more tricks and shortcut on my channel.